Hello class, today we will be reading the following article and activity from Achieve 3000, What Charges Your Social Batteries? And you will be completing the before reading poll, the article, activity, after reading poll, thought question, poll results, the math section, the stretch article, and the stretch activity as well. Once you have completed it on Achieve 3000, submit through there and log into Google Classroom and go ahead and type in the assignment box, submit. So right here, you would go, this is your stream, this is where we're commenting and posting our assignments. You go to classwork and you're going to see the assignment that's due, which is this one. What charges your social batteries? As you see, I have it for tomorrow. I'm always going to have a 2-day extension for you. So if you are unable to do it today, you can do it and submit by tomorrow. It is pretty lengthy because we do the Achieve 3000 every day. So take your time. Make sure you are submitting through Achieve. So now this is where you would submit. You have the upcoming due dates right here, and it will tell you. You can even view all of them. You can view the previous assignments that were due. So right here, we already had the vocabulary activity that was due, the story of fresh produce, the persuasive essay, your Achieve article, good, bad, or ugly, and the one for today and tomorrow will be what charges your social batteries. So you go ahead and log in to your Achieve 3000 account, to your block, second block, and we're going to go ahead and look for our lesson, the 5-step lesson. And here it is. So go ahead and click on View Lesson. Okay, so let's go ahead and read the poll question together. This is before we read the selection. It does follow our circle strategy as well. Some people, and I'm going to highlight it for you. Some people need to spend more time alone than others. That's because being in groups can drain their energy. What do you think? So then here's a statement that you either have to agree or disagree. It is important to have lots of alone time. Do you agree or disagree? In my personal opinion, I'm going to put agree. Now, don't forget, you have to explain why. You're going to write your sentence. I agree that it is important to have lots of alone time because, so then here the because part is why. Why am I agreeing with that statement? Because you need time to reflect and relax. Okay, so that would be my statement. Remember to submit your vote and your explanation. I am grading this, and then once you already voted, you go ahead and move on to your article. Now you have your article, your activity, your after reading poll, your thought question, your poll results. You have to do your stretch article as well and stretch activity. Remember, you have all these options to help you. So if you want to press play, and it is going to read So it's going to read it to you. Don't forget all the features that you have here to help you. Okay, so you also have over here strategies. Right here, the focus is main idea and supporting details. So make sure you are using it. Right here, you have your vocabulary words. You can use your online dictionary, a physical copy of the dictionary, or here you have the vocabulary words. I will be assigning an assignment tomorrow on the vocabulary words for this selection. That will be tomorrow's assignment. for today, you are to go ahead and read the article. Then you're going to do the activity. Remember, it is at your Lexile level, so it's at your reading level that when we took the pre-test in the beginning of the semester, the Achieve 3000 program got your level, and it is for your reading Lexile, okay? So you might have less questions than your classmate, you might have more. It doesn't matter, it is personalized for you. So once you answer your questions, you submit, then you're gonna vote again. Did your opinion change? Now that you have read the article, indicate whether you agree or disagree with this statement. It is important to have lots of alone time. So if you're like, nope, after reading the article, I still have not changed my mind, then you are welcome to go ahead and type in your same response and vote again. Now look at the thought question. Here is a thought question. Suppose you were trying to decide whether to call yourself an introvert or an extrovert. Okay, so right here, these are two vocabulary words that you need to focus on. Introvert, you keep to yourself, you like to be more alone. An extrovert are people who like to be there in the public, like to talk a lot, a social butterfly. Okay, so which would you choose and why? So it's asking you to choose. Would you rather be an introvert or an extrovert? You do have to explain why, and very important here, include facts and details from the article in your response. Then you have the poll results. Here, once you do, you're going to see how people voted. A lot of you, it stayed the same. Then you have your stretch article and your stretch activity. Once you are done, you're going to submit here on Achieve 3000. Then you're going to go ahead and go over here to your Google Classroom. You're going to log into your classwork and you're going to put submit. Okay, you will submit here. You're just going to put submit it. Ms. Montes, I submitted my assignment on Achieve, or just submit it. That will let me know, okay, they already did their assignment on Achieve. Now let me go ahead and look at it and I will input the grade. Every Friday, I'm going to be putting your grades on Skyward. So please make sure to try to follow those deadlines, the due dates. Okay, so let me put this card here. So make sure you are submitting everything. I do give you 2 or 3 days for each assignment. Okay, so remember to also make sure to remember to look at your upcoming dates. Right here, you have your upcoming dates, stuff that was already due. It does tell me who already submitted and who has not. So please make sure to be working on that. Okay. So have a great day, class, and let me know how I can help you or if you need any additional support. Thank you.